This tutorial shows you how to get an adjusted R-squared for your moderation model in Process in SPSS. Moderation analysis is very convenient with the Process plugin in SPSS. However, it lacks an adjusted R-squared after all those years for no good reason. Hence, I will show you two ways to get an adjusted R-squared for your moderation analysis. The first way requires a simple calculation, preferably in Excel or Google Sheets. Since you have the R-squared given in your model output, you can derive the adjusted R-squared from it via the following formula. My model shows an R-squared of 0.482. Furthermore, I need the number of observations n and the number of independent variables plus 1. This is p. Please be aware that the interaction term of moderator and independent variable counts as an additional independent variable. With a bit of arithmetic, we will get to an adjusted R-squared of 0.437 for my moderation model. The second way requires you to manually calculate the moderation model in SPSS. The statistical diagram shows that this means constructing an additional independent variable, the product term between x and w. You can do this via transform compute variable. It is recommended that the name of the target variable is composed in such a way that both variables are mentioned with an x in between. For my example, IQ_x_motivation. On the right hand side, you then need to multiply those two variables. Afterwards, go through Analyze, Regression, Linear, and define your model. The dependent variable is the same. For me, it is income. The independent variables will be x, w, and the product of x and w, which we just calculated. Hence, I will enter IQ, motivation, and IQ_x_motivation. If you have any covariates in your moderation model in Process, those should be included here as well. In my example, gender. Now calculate the model and you will get the usual tables, including the model summary table that shows your adjusted R-square right away. Luckily, it is the same as my manually calculated R-squared.